You decided if you like someone before they said a single word, and you'll never fully undo that decision. 7 seconds. That's the window. And in that window, your brain runs a full background check with zero evidence. Here's the reversal nobody talks about. First impressions aren't about the other person. They're a mirror of your own brain. Psychologists call it the thin slicing effect. Your brain makes surprisingly accurate judgments from microscopically tiny slices of behavior. Nalini Ambady's research found people could predict a teacher's effectiveness accurately from a silent 2-second video clip. 2 seconds. No sound, no context, and people were right. That's not a party trick. That's your brain's ancient threat detector firing. Your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, flags strangers as potential threats before your conscious mind has even noticed them. And here's what nobody tells you about that. Once the amygdala stamps someone as safe or threat, you spend the rest of the relationship defending that stamp. There's a name for this. Psychologists call it confirmation bias. And after a first impression, it runs on autopilot inside every conversation you have. But the science behind why this sticks is stranger than you'd expect. It goes deeper than bias. It rewires what you actually see. When you've already decided someone is cold, you literally interpret their neutral face as unfriendly. You're not reading them. You're editing them. Most people won't say this out loud, but you've done this to someone who deserved better. And so has everyone done it to you. Here's the uncomfortable truth. No one in the self-improvement space wants to say, first impressions are deeply unfair, and they punish certain people more than others. Research shows taller people are perceived as more competent. Deeper voices are judged more trustworthy. Your face's symmetry is being graded before you speak. But here's what changes everything. You are not powerless inside those 7 seconds. You just need to know what your brain is actually scanning for. Your brain scans for warmth first, then competence. Not looks, not clothes, warmth. Do you seem like you want good things for the people around you? Susan Fiske's research at Princeton shows that warmth is weighted twice as heavily as competence in every first impression. Humans form. So when you walk into that room, that interview, that first date, the question isn't, do I seem impressive? It's, do I seem safe to be around? The next time you meet someone, pause for just 1 second. Ask yourself, am I seeing them? Or am I seeing the story my brain already wrote about them? Drop a comment if this made you think differently about someone in your life. And subscribe. Your brain clearly likes learning how it actually works.